Hey guys, welcome back to the Bruise and Biceps channel. On this episode, we're going to do a little bit different. We're going to do an unboxing of the Topps 2020 opening day baseball cards. On this one, you're looking to, autograph and relics. And then obviously there's going to be some insert cards too as well. This one I did get at Walmart, and it was $9.98, I think. I did buy one previously, and I did find a relic card in the other one, so that's this right here, the Miguel Cabrera relic. It's pretty awesome card. It supposedly has some of the dirt in it. I don't know if you can see that there from the field. So pretty cool. So obviously gonna give it another shot and see what we have in this one. Okay, so let's get this going. So in this box you get, I think it's 10 packs plus a bonus pack, so 11 packs total in here, and I think there are seven cards in this pack, so 77 cards. Not a bad deal for 10 bucks, especially if you're new at buying trading cards, or you're just trying to get back into it, or you're finding something to do in between time since there are no sports on or anything else like that. This is something that you can do to kind of, I guess, pass the time until you're waiting for America's pastime to begin. So there they are. All right, so I'm gonna get this going. I don't know, you're supposed to use scissors to open this, or you're supposed to just pop them open. I don't know, what do you think? I don't know, I think that just rip them open, right? So, and this is actually a really nice set. If you look at some of the graphics on here and some of the artwork on here, and too, the way the pictures are taken. So let's see, a JD Martinez, we got a Max Muncy, we got Shane Bieber, Matthew Boyd, Jordan Yamamoto rookie card, so that's pretty cool. Jose Barrios, and then one of the inserts, you kind of get a opening day insert, and this is from the Monument Garden for the Atlanta Braves, so pretty cool. That's what you can expect in the packs. So let's open the other one. Well, see the back right there, and you see you got Aaron Judge, so we'll take a look exactly what they have there. So that one. Again, I'm just looking for rookie cards and whatnot. There's a rookie, Nico Hoyner rookie card. That's awesome. And then let's see, they're just nice looking cards overall. Will Smith, and then this one right here is Aaron Judge, and it is you've just received an MLB sticker collection preview card from the 2020 opening baseball card. So that's a pretty sweet looking card. I like it. So I think when you buy this pack for the $9.98 or $10 or whatever case, I think it averages. And they said it averages anywhere from, I think, 12.4 cents a card or something like that. So I don't know. I guess a most bang for your buck. And like they said, it's definitely a nice line for people to purchase that are just starting out. If there's something about opening a fresh pack of cards and just seeing what you're going to get to. Minnesota Twins mascot, so pretty neat, especially for if you are a fan of the Minnesota Twins, something cool to have. Then we got, let's see, Christian Walker, Hunter, yeah, I said it right. John Means, there you go. That's a good card right there. I like that one. Vlad Guerrero Jr., Jonathan Villar, Jorge Alfaro, and then the insert card of Roberto Clemente. Spring has sprung. So it's a nice picture right there. I like that. So far, no relics, no autographs, so that's okay. It's still awesome to just open the cards, I think, in my opinion. Marco Gonzalez, Suarez, Anthony Redon, let's see, Nelson Cruz, we got Dakota Hudson. And this is a parallel card, and you can tell by the how it's a little shimmery right there. Dated March 26, 2020. It's supposed to be opening day, but obviously it's going to be postponed. But Matt Carpenter, pretty sweet card. Kind of like that a lot. So that's pretty awesome. And then Dodger Stadium. You got to give it up to the graphics and the pictures on here because those just look really clean. That's real nice. So nice card there. So the parallels right there, you can see, like I said, it has the nice foil cover on there and the blue foil on the other side. So I like it. Then we got Brian Reynolds here. We got Alberto Mondesi. Yep. Max Chapman. Jose Ramirez. That's a nice little action shot there. I thought that card was pretty neat. And then we got opening day for the Miami Marlins. Pretty. Let's see. Oh, I don't know if I mentioned it's this pack right here is considered the blaster box. So they have to where you can get the single packs. You can get, which is the max pack, I think it's called. And then you have the blaster pack, and then you also have a mega pack too. So Nico Goodman, there's another rookie right there. So that's awesome. Let's see, Victor Robles, Kyle Sager. I don't know what that is. Insert some sort. And then this one you got the Brewers Stadium. So like I said, pretty sweet. You gotta appreciate the way the cards are looking these days because they really have a lot of good detail to them and whatnot. All right, so Joey Votto, fine there. Chris Paddock, Aaron Judge, that's one. Starlin Castro, Michael Bentley, Gary Sanchez, and Minnesota Twins mascot. I think I already had this, didn't I? Or maybe I have the stadium. I don't know. Let's see what we got here. Let's see. Any rookies going on here? Christian Yelich, Jack Flannery, Albert something, Tommy Pham, Zach Gallen, and then you got Minnesota Twins. I think I got this one already. It's odd that I'd have doubles in here, but it looks like it, huh? So far, no autographs, no relics, but the parallel card is pretty sweet, so happy about that one. And got a handful of rookies, so that's pretty good too. So Clayton Kershaw, that's a nice little card there. Let's see, Abraham Toro, Fernando Tatis Jr. Man, I'm going to screw up a lot of these names, I'm sure. Let's see, Austin Meadows. And then this one is Scoreboard, Chicago Cubs. So very cool. All right, last pack. See what happens here. Even if you don't get anything, it's still fun, you know. And if you're a fan, you know, you get your players and whatnot. It's still a good time, you know, just to sit here and open up these cards, especially, you know, now because you know, I haven't seen trading cards in a while. But man, these are good-looking cards. So, like Mike Moustakas, Ozzy Albies, and then you got another insert, Juan Soto, Spring and Sprung. So no relics, no autographs, but this parallel is pretty cool. And then we also have you know, a handful of rookies as well. So I'm happy about it. $10. It's a good time. So all right, so go get some cards, have fun. I'll catch you later.